Allodoxophobia is a fear of expressing your opinions or beliefs in front of others. It can cause people to feel nervous or anxious about speaking up, especially in public or social situations. This fear is common, and there are ways to overcome it, by practicing speaking up in smaller groups or with people you trust. The Metropolitan Police Act of 1839 made it illegal to beat or shake any carpet, rug, or mat in the streets on public roads in London. The act aimed to reduce the dust and dirt in the city's air, which was seen as a health hazard at the time. The law is still in effect today, although it is rarely enforced, and many people still beat their carpets and rugs outdoors without being fined. Did you know that the letter J was the last letter added to the English alphabet? Before J was introduced in the mid-16th century, the letter I was used for both the vowel sound and the letter I and the consonant sound DZ, which could cause confusion in written communication. J was created as a separate letter to represent the consonant sound DZ, and it was based on the letter I with a tail added to it. So next time you're reciting the alphabet, remember that J was the last letter added over 450 years ago. Have you ever met someone who talks a lot about a topic they don't really know much about? That person might be an ultracrepidarian. It's a fancy word that means someone who gives opinions about things they don't really know much about. The word ultracrepidarian comes from a Latin phrase that means beyond the shoe. The word's origin comes from a story about a Greek artist who was criticized by a shoemaker for a mistake in his painting. The artist told the shoemaker to stick to shoemaking and not criticize beyond his expertise. Did you know that the expiration dates on water bottles are for the bottle, not the water inside? These dates are recommendations for when the plastic bottle should be replaced because it can degrade over time and affect the quality of the water. Although the water inside may remain safe to drink, it's still best to consume it within a reasonable time after opening.